What's going on? What's going on? How's everybody doing? Come on in. Come on in. I'm just chilling, just now getting started. You know what I'm saying? We just kicking it. We just kicking it. How y'all doing? Hope everybody got some good money today. Good money. That's what it's all about. Good money. Not all money is good money, but we try to focus on getting the good money. What y'all know about Maya? It's all about me. Yeah, Maya was bad. Maya was bad now. Trump out here going crazy, telling all the truths. Trump out here pissing people off as always. We out here acting a fool. I, it's not funny, but it's funny. You know what I'm saying? Everybody think that they can change the government, they can vote and make everything better. Look, the president gonna do what the president want to do. Ain't nothing we can do about it. It is out of our hands. So no need to stress about it. It is what it is. All right, but yeah, this is the market, man. It moved. The market moved just the way I thought the market was gonna move. You know what I'm saying? It did exactly what I thought it was gonna do. Let me get some of this stuff off the screen so you can see more of what's going on. Let me take that stuff off of there so you can actually see what was going on. Because I trade with a lot of other indicators. So you know, I don't want to confuse people with all these indicators on the screen. So let me delete those indicators. Millionaire, what's going on? How you doing, man? Credit Dave in the building. What's up? We got Millionaire Metaphor. What's going on? My man Valus in the building. Ray, what's up? Johnny in the building. How y'all doing? Hope y'all had an amazing day. I know I did. Had a good day today. Oh yeah. Manual trades went good. The bot trades went good. The bot was botting. My indicators was indicating. Bots botting, indicators indicating. Manual trades is popping off. That's how it goes. Good day. You had a good day too, Ray? Hey, that's all good. I love it. Let's throw a cheer for the good days. Because Lord knows it be bad days hitting us in the head. You got to celebrate the good ones. I am streaming on YouTube as well. I started slacking. I was slacking, right? I got real comfortable just going live on TikTok. And then when they had that TikTok ban, I was like, ooh, I need to focus on my other platforms as well. You're not gonna catch me slipping again, TikTok. Heck no. I got caught slipping. I don't like getting caught slipping. It is not fun. Oh man. But yeah, it's been good though. It's been good. I still got my Instagram people and my Facebook people. Um, but yeah, it's just the way you utilize these social media platforms. It could be really beneficial. But once again, that's why I do digital marketing. I teach people how to do digital marketing. I use digital marketing to help boost my trading course. You know, it can be used to do whatever you wanted to use it for. You know what I'm saying? But there's plenty of money to be made. It's always better to have a mentor help guide you through this stuff. So if you want to learn how to day trade, I got you. If you want to learn how to build digital products and sell them, make money online, I got you. I got you. It's literally a one-stop shop to get to the bag. I like to think of myself as a one-stop shop to get to the bag. Because money is there. It's very possible to live pretty good and make money every day. Because guess what? We spend money every day, right? You spend money every day. You could probably look at your bank account right now and see something that drafted out today. Go ahead. Look at your bank account. I can almost guarantee you 90% of y'all has something come out today. We always spending money. Money is always being taken away from us. So you have to learn how to make money every day. It's good to have a job that pays you enough money to cover your bills. But that paycheck is like what, once a week, once every 2 weeks, once a month. But you got money coming out every day. So I'm gonna need you to start working towards finding ways to make money every day. Day trading is just one of the things that I do to make money every day. And that's what it's all about. You know, we all got families. We got people that depend on us. So we need to make sure we have the money coming in at a decent rate to take care of our families. You know, there's a very easy understanding. You know, it's not the love of money. It's the need for money and how you apply the money. There's a certain way you got to apply the money to build wealth. All right. You can't just work a 9 to 5, pay all your bills, and then you have no money left over to invest. Okay. Those 401ks aren't guaranteed. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to understand, those 9 to 5s are not guaranteed. The 401ks are not guaranteed. You have to know how to move with the money that you have or learn how to make more. You said most jobs bi-weekly? Yeah, when I was still working as an engineer, I was getting paid weekly. I was getting paid weekly, which was nice. Don't get me wrong. I did enjoy getting paid weekly. But before I left that job, I was making money in the stock market. So I was making money every day doing options, doing crypto, doing Forex. I was selling a digital ebook for ebook for options. I was also selling a social media marketing book, how to be a social media marketer. So I've always found ways to make a little money on the side. You know what I'm saying? I've never been the type to just get one income and be chilling with one income. Even when I was in the military, when I worked in the military, I used to clean buildings at night. Mind you, I didn't have any kids. I had no kids in the military. I was not married in the military. I literally just enjoy making extra money. Honestly, I just enjoy making extra money. So when I was in the military, this old dude, when I say old dude, he was probably like 60 something. And I remember I was leaving the store at night and I seen him with a broom in his hand. And I was like, hey, you clean these buildings at night? He was like, yeah, I own the business. I have a business. He had a business for the past 20 something years, just cleaning banks at night, cleaning cell phone stores, just cleaning buildings at night. Uptown, downtown, he cleaned the buildings downtown. And mind you, he's in his 60s. And I was like, how do I get into something like that? I have extra time at night. He was like, I could hire you. You could clean, half the buildings. He said I think it was like 10 buildings a week. He cleaned 10 buildings a week. He was like, if you clean 5, I'll clean 5, and I'll pay you X amount of dollars for cleaning those 5. Of course, he was making more money than me because it's his business. But I was in the military. I didn't have a wife and kids, so I didn't mind getting off of work and then going to clean some buildings at night. I only worked for maybe 2 hours at night cleaning buildings, and I didn't have to clean them every night. I had to clean them twice a week. So Monday and Tuesday, I would clean a couple buildings. You know what I'm saying? And then I would clean Thursday and Friday, I would clean a couple buildings. You know what I'm saying? And that's all I did. That's all I did. I just worked. I went to the military. I got off work in the military. I chilled a little bit, probably about 8 o'clock. From 8 to 10, I went and cleaned some buildings at night. And he paid me, I want to say it was like 200 a week or something like that. 300 a week to clean 5 buildings a week. Hey, I was cool. That was extra money in my pocket, buddy. He said, wife and kids are so overrated. Is that a Palestine flag? What flag? What flag? What flag you talking about? What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? My scarf? No, this is my scarf that I got from Afghanistan. I bought this scarf in Afghanistan in a war zone, and I wear it to remind myself that I've been through a war zone. I used to wear this to protect myself from the sandstorms. So when the sandstorm pop up, we wear it like this to avoid the sandstorms, because sandstorms were a real thing in Afghanistan. Yeah, but yeah, this is my reminder of what I've been through. Cause not everybody made it out of a war zone, my G. Yeah, but yeah, this is my war reminder. Well, I mean, people in Palestine wear scarves. People in the Middle East wear scarves because it's dusty. You got the sandstorms. You got the sun. It helps you block your face from the sun. So they use it for many different reasons. I'm on till 3. I'll probably be here till about 2:30, 3 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Because I got to get my son by 3. He is not with staying at the school longer than he has to. he he is not with it. Come and talk to me. Man, I remember that. I remember that song as a kid. Outstanding. But yeah, no, this is not a Palestinian scarf. I bought this scarf in Afghanistan. Yeah, yeah. He's definitely learning early what he wants. Now, wait. Once it starts getting warm again, and they could go play outside after school, he won't want to be picked up early. It's just now they have to play inside because it's cold. So he's like, I don't want to. If I'm gonna sit inside, I'd rather be at home sitting inside. But yeah, once it start getting warm again, they'll be outside playing. Yeah, but today was a good trading day, man. The market did exactly what I knew the market was gonna do, and all we had to do is move accordingly. You see a trade, take a trade. If you see a trade, take a trade. There was some news at 10 o'clock that it wasn't too bad. It didn't whoop us up or nothing like that. So right here in the beginning is the market open. The market opened and immediately went down. And boy, did I catch a run to the downside. I got all that movement. I got all that movement. I'm gonna zoom in to show you what kind of movement I got off of that drop. Off of that drop. And this is one of the reasons why I like adding swings to my chart, right? All right, so you see this right here. Let me squeeze it in for you so you can see it. Squeeze it in so you can see it. I'm gonna mark this up just so y'all can see what I'm talking about. All right, let me get to my color scheme. Hold on, what is this popping up on my screen? Get out of here. Get out of here. All right, let me let me mark it up for y'all so you can see what I'm looking at. All right. So as you see, right here is the market open, okay? So I'm gonna go here. Right here is the market open. This is where the market opened up at, right? It shot up. It did a bull sweep and shot up, snatch up everybody money up top. And then it just started falling down, right? I didn't necessarily jump on it immediately. I waited for it to get down here and close. Once it closed right here, I took a sell right here. I wait for the retracement. I sold the market right here and wrote it down. That's it. That's all I did. That's all I did. I wait for the retracement and I took the market down. You know what I'm saying? Because this is all in the 5-minute candle. This is a 5-minute candle, so it's not like it took a long time. The market opened up. The market opened. I just didn't pull it up for you. The market opened. It opened right here. It did a quick fake to the upside. I knew it was a fake to the upside because here's a level. This orange line is a level. So you could have took a sell right here and rolled it down. But instead of taking a sell right there, I waited for the market to close. And when it came back up to this level, I took my sell right here and rolled it back down. So that's 2 sells you could have took, but I took one of the 2. Hey, Kiana, how you doing? Appreciate that. So I took one of the 2 sells that I seen because that's the way the market works. It is very calculated. Nothing is really nothing that's random about the market. If you can look at it and see how it moves, you can make money every single day. There's nothing random about it. Apex don't allow bots though. That is not true, Andrews. That is not true. You got to go ahead to Apex, read it again. Read it again. Apex does not allow fully automated bots. Fully automated meaning it's an outside server and you have no control over when it takes a trade, when it gets in and it gets out of a trade. So they don't allow fully automated bots, but they do allow you to have semi-automated bots. You got to read everything. You can't just read the first line and say no bots and run with it. You have to read all of it. It knows that it's an outside server because when an outside server, they have to log into your account from a remote location. The bot that I use, this bot and the last bot that I used, they downloaded to NinjaTrader. So when you download it to NinjaTrader and it takes a trade, it's viewed as a trade that you took within NinjaTrader. You could close it out and you can open it up whenever you want to. You can stop it from running and you can activate it at any time. You have control over the bot. They just don't allow fully automated, meaning is nothing you can do is going to take a trade with or without your butt. They don't like fully automated bots. But semi-automated just means you click a button to activate it. But yeah, that's what they mean by they don't allow bots. Now, there is a prop firm that does not allow any kind of algorithmic trade. I forgot which one it was. I think it's not. I don't know if it's Top Step or one of them don't allow any kind of bot. So it is good that you do pay attention to stuff like that because there are some that don't. Is one that I know of that don't allow you to do no kind of algorithm. How do you stay within the rules? Well, with the bot that I use, you could type in how much you want it to make before it turns off. So if it's a 30% rule, you just want to make sure the bot stops before it breaks that 30% rule. Because you can let it run all day if you want to. I don't run it like that. I set a target. I'm like, get me $100. I click the button. Once it makes me 100, it turns off. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like about it. I could type in a number. I could type in an amount that I want to make, an amount that I'm willing to risk. So I'll put like, I want you to make 200. I want you to make 100, but I don't want you to lose no more than 250. So whichever one it hits first, it cuts off. If it loses 250, it stops. If it makes 100, it stops. So that's how I set the bot. I set it at a certain target price, and it's been running smooth for me. So I'm happy. I'm impressed with it. I'll be around till the winner is announced. The winner is, I know about that mace. Appreciate the follow. Yeah, the bot that I use now is nice. I enjoy it. And the best thing about it is only a one-time fee. You don't have to pay every month. You pay one time, boom, you got it. Have fun, enjoy it. One of my students ran it in an eval. She ran it on our eval today and made like 2,400. She might be in the live later on. She'll tell you about it. She'll tell you about it. But she made like 2,400 today using that thing. I was like, oh, I don't never run it that much. I don't run it that much, but sometimes you gotta throw a Hail Mary. You know what I'm saying? Blew 20 combines. You blew 20 combines. Good Lord. You passed on XFA. What is XFA? I'm not even sure what that is. But congrats on passing it. We're gonna cheer for that. We're gonna cheer for the good times. How much is my trading course or the bot? The bot is my trading course is $350. The bot is a one-time fee of, I want to say 2,500. But he actually has a end of month discount. So you get an additional 15% off of my 50% discount. So, hey, look, that's what he did. It ain't my bot. You know what I'm saying? So he's giving an additional 15% on top of my 50% discount that I can offer. So I was like, well, damn. That bring the bot with tax to like 2,100. Because the bot is originally 5,000. My discount breaks it down to 2,500. Then he added an additional 15% that brings it down to 21 with tax. So I was like, well, all right then. His bot, I ain't got no control over the price. But yeah, that's what I do. I ran it for the first 30 minutes. The first 30 minutes of the market open, bop, 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 got my money, and I went to trading manual because I like to trade manual. So once the bot got me my money, I traded manual, and I got a 50K account approved today. So I'm hyped about that. Got me a 50K done today. No, I don't use BoldBot anymore. BoldBot, from what I heard, is still a good bot. I just don't use it anymore. Yeah, but the bot I use today, the bot I use now, is only a one-time fee. You don't have to pay every month. So I enjoy it. I already got a bot there, Andrews. I don't need two of them. And plus the bot that I use, he gives a 14-day free trial. I thought that was pretty cool, to give a 14-day trial, see if you like it, see how it works. And then if you decide to get it, you get it. But I think that's pretty dope. Am I in a trade? No. I'm done trading for the day. I got my money today. And I said, got to get up out of here. Give me my money. That's what's up, Andrews. That's awesome. I commend everybody that develop bots because I'm an engineer, but I can't sit there and develop no bot. I can't do it. I can't do it. So I commend all y'all that got bots and program them and run them up. Because did you know 70% of trades that are taken a day are by some type of algorithm? 70% of trades are done by an algorithm. That's crazy. So if you out here manually trading 100%, you're trading against other bots that can read the market way better than any human. And there's some bots out there that are outstanding, but you got to kick out that chicken. You got to kick out that money. But there's some bots out there that are crazy that make way more money, but you got to be kicking the chicken. I trade the 9:30 open. So I trade at 9:30 till about 10 o'clock. I don't trade live because I don't be in the market long. But if you want to trade live, I have a group that you can trade with, that I trade with. The guy that runs the Zoom, he gives you a phone call, asks you a couple questions. If he feels as though you can trade, he invites you to the course. To his trading room. But it's a small trading room because he's real picky on, because he don't want a bunch of people in there that don't know what they're doing, and you're kicking out money every month and you ain't doing nothing. So he's like, if you're going to pay for my trade room, I want you to be able to take advantage of what I'm teaching and the trades that I give. And also give us some trades too, if you want to. But he just doesn't want you spending money and not making any money for it. Oh, appreciate the follow. But yeah, that's why I like the trade room that I'm in now, because you're not, it's not just, hey, place a trade now. It's like, it's education involved. This is how you use this indicator. This is what this tells you. This is a zone. You know what I'm saying? So, and even the people that don't know me but reach out to him and they want to get access to his room, if he doesn't feel as though you are at the level to trade in the room, he'll actually refer you to my beginner's course. He'll like, get this beginner's course, learn the basics first, learn how to make money, you know what I'm saying? Build up your money and then come back to the room, because his room is $300 a month. He just don't want you paying that money, you know what I'm saying, if you don't know what you're doing. Because there's money made every day. And it's good to have some guidance in that road to riches. The road to riches. Because Brandy says she want to be down. Y'all want to be down? Y'all want to be down with this trading? Let's go. But this is a live market, though. The market is moving. What is that big old level above me? Above thy of thee? Oh, that's a nice little level right there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to trade that chumpy. Yeah, the market come up here. The market come up here, I'm going to take it to the down. If the market come up here, oh, you can walk up, but you're limping back. Right at break even, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. Only 1 year and you at the break even? Not bad at all. I commend you. Sometimes it takes people a little bit longer to really lock it in. Am I profitable? I sure am. I sure am profitable. The profitable trader man. I'll show you how profitable. Y'all know I'm gonna show my article though. Y'all know I'm gonna show my article now, right? Oh, I haven't traded my wealth charts. I haven't traded my wealth charts today. That's why I need to trade my wealth charts. I ain't really touched them, but yes. For those, the person that asked, am I profitable? Bruh, bruh, bruh. Yeah. So yeah, here's a interview that I did back in 2023 with Apex about my recent withdrawal from Apex. So Apex does pay, people. Apex does pay. And yes, I do make money. This is back in 2023. It is now 2025. If I was not making money, I would not have my ass sitting here in front of you. I would not be sitting here in front of you talk about some dang on trading if I ain't never make no money trading. I do not have a 9 to 5. I quit my job back in 2021. I quit my job in 2021 to pursue the lifelong dream of being a day trader. And I have achieved that. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. I have achieved it. What strategies do I use? That's what I teach in my class. But I do support and resistance mostly. Oh, yeah. Oh, them paper trades. Hey, look, when it comes to paper trading, I'm a millionaire already, baby. I'm a millionaire when it comes to paper trading. Boy, if I could take my paper trading money and turn that into real money, boy, I'd be rich as hell. But you'll never get there until you take that leap. You got to go for your eval. You got to go for your eval. You got to get that PA approved, and you got trading the PA feel completely different than trading a prop firm, than trading the eval, than trading simulation. Like once you start trading that real money, you feel the difference. Recommend prop firms. I like Apex. I'm an Apex, you know what I'm saying? Because you can have 20 accounts. You can have 20 accounts with Apex. So I am an Apex representative. And my Apex account, my Apex code is Mr. H Trades. No, don't get me wrong, bro. I get you. Definitely stay paper until you can be consistent before you move up. A lot of people don't do that. They paper trade for 2 weeks and think they're ready. But definitely don't trade with your capital if you're not ready. I'd rather you start with an Apex or some kind of prop firm. What size Apex? I got all different sizes of Apex. How are payouts? You request them, you get approved, the money is in your account. Very easy to ask for to get a withdrawal. Yeah, a lot of people they practice for like a good week and then they jump straight into their evaluation and they just keep getting their ass whooped. They just keep getting their ass whooped. I'm like, bruh, you not ready to trade your prop firm yet. Go back to simulation/paper trading and really focus on what you're doing. You got to paper trade like it's real money. Paper trade like it's real money. That way, when you do go for your eval and you do get it approved, it's like muscle memory. You already know how to trade. Y'all got to stop going crazy in simulation and think you're going to trade crazy on your PA. It's not going to work. You mad, you late, you trying to start trading yesterday. It's never too late to trade. It's never too late to get into this market and learn. That's what I'm here for. You know what I'm saying? That's what a lot of people online instructors are there for, to teach people how to do it. That's all we're here for. We just here to teach y'all how to get to the bag, baby, because it is money to be had. Momentum trades on low float. Yeah. Yep. Get your money and get the hell on. Don't be in here long. What's the indicator that marks the consolidation? I don't know. I use swings to mark the swing high and swing lows, but I don't know what indicator marks the consolidation. I actually sell a course My course, you go to MHT Academy right there. Move this damn mic out of the way. If you go to MHT Academy right there at the bottom or at the top, depending on where you're looking at, mhtacademy.com. So yeah, I teach a beginner's course. It will show you how to make money. I don't sit here and promise I'm gonna show you how to make 10,000 a day. Nope, I ain't about to show you how to make no 10,000 a day, cuz I'll show you how to make 50 to 100 per trade. I'll teach you how to be consistent, how to build your trade accounts. I'll teach you the basics so you know what you're even looking at. You know what I'm saying? But I don't promise no 10,000 a day. Nope. The blue and yellow on my chart is a swing high, swing low. The bot that I use now is, right now he has a 15% on top of my 50% discount. So you're looking at right around 2,100 one-time fee for the bot. But if you wait too long, that 15% going to go away and it'd be back up to 2,500 for the bot. I don't know how long he's going to allow me to do 50% off because the price of the bot original is 5,000, but he allowed me to do a 50% off with my code. I have a plan to build my capital over a year, doing one trade a day from 1 to 10K. Possible, very possible. Hey, appreciate that. Love the roses. Deshaun, love the roses, appreciate that. Yeah, I mean, you could do it like that. I definitely am big on planning. I'm very calculated with my trades. I don't just trade random. You know what I'm saying? My trades all have a target. I know how much I want to make per trade. I know how much I want to make per day. I know how much I'm willing to risk per trade. Once I get my money, I pull chalks. I get the hell up out of there. You know what I'm saying? That's how I'm able to keep my money that I make. Because a lot of people there make a bunch of money, lose a bunch of money. Make a bunch of money, lose a bunch of money. And they never get a payout. I know people that's been trading the futures market for 3-4 years and never got a payout because they get stuck in that cycle, getting approved, losing the account, getting approved, losing the account, getting approved, almost to a payout, lose the account. It's a vicious cycle, people. You got to know what you're doing, stick to your plan, get your money, get the hell on. If you don't do that, you're going to be continuously losing money. I'm going to keep it a buck with you. If you don't set a target, if you don't set a daily goal that's attainable, don't set no crazy daily goal. Oh, my goal is to make 8,000 a day. Get your ass out of here. If you could average 8,000 a day, you wouldn't be in my class. But to be a new trader, talking about you're going to average 800 a day, 8,000 a day, 5,000, 10,000 a week, get out of here. No, you're not. Once you find what you can average, that's how you know what you can average. You don't know what you can average until you take at least 10 educated trades and seeing if you make $200 every trade, $300 every trade. Just see how much you can do. About to check out your interview. Yeah, check out the interview. It's just me talking, running my mouth, talking my ish, talking my shit. You know what I'm saying? But it was a good conversation. You got to get on up off your ass and come get this money out this mother. It's money everywhere. Y'all got to come get it. Ain't nobody gonna get it to you. Nobody is gonna give you money. You got to go get it. It's right there. Oh, you trying to connect with other traders? Connect with your boy. I'm here. But I do more than just trading. I sell digital products. I build courses. I help people sell digital products. I help people become affiliate marketers the same way I did. If you want to learn every way that I make money, I am here to teach every way I make money, not just day trading. So, you know, I'm a one-stop shop. If you want to learn how to make money selling digital products, I got you. How do you create a digital product? I got you. Nothing to stress about. I remember that album, that Jodeci album, Get On Up. Good times. I was young though. I was a young one. I was young, but I still knew what they were talking about. That man said, "I want a freak of you." Yes, sir. Oh, what is that? That little Kim? What? Yes, sir. What's your most lucrative income out of all the ways? Day trading. Day trading is by far the most lucrative income. But a close second is my affiliate marketing that I do. The affiliate marketing is a close second. Affiliate marketing, digital products, selling digital products. I don't just have a day trading course. I sell a affiliate marketing course, teaching people how to become good affiliates, how to set up all their, YouTube, Instagram, how to connect it all together so that you can maximize every post. Digital Boss Academy Volume 1 and 2. Digital Boss Academy is just a bunch of courses teaching people how to do a lot of things that you don't normally find classes on, like how to start a churro business, how to buy and acquire land, how to do what is that stuff? Medical courier, how to make money being a medical courier. Digital DBA Volume 1 and 2 covers all that stuff. I say the least amount of money I make probably from the course. Probably selling the course is the least amount because I only sell my course for $350. You know what I'm saying? So my goal for selling my course at $350 is not to be rich. It's just I think I should be paid for the knowledge I have, but I definitely don't need it to where I depend on it. But I don't really depend on any single source. Well, Little Kim was, geez. I love Little Kim. I love that whole album. But man, she was talking her mess. I remember when that album came out. That album was amazing. But yeah, by far, day trading is the most lucrative. Can I show what I look for in resistance trading? Oh, that's a loaded question. I mean, I have a whole course teaching it. It's not something I could just, oh, this is how you do it. You know what I'm saying? It's like, it's a course that breaks down what I look at, how I look at the market. It's really hard to just be like, what do you look for in resistance? I look for just that, an area where the market is resisting to where it don't just shoot past the area or shoot down real fast, because resistance can come in the form of support. You know what I'm saying? Support, resistance, liquidity zones, swing highs, swing lows. Is really a combination of things. If the market can't go past a certain area, that's called support. Once it breaks past that area and closes, that support is now resistance. So it's different ways of finding it. Short and to the point. Not too many of us doing it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey, look, I'm only in the market. I'm gonna show you. Y'all want to see what I did in 30 minutes? Within 30 minutes of trading. Where's the group thing at? Can affect my cream. Well, I'll show y'all what I did today. This is what I did today. I got no time for fake ones. Yeah, so this is what I did today. Yes, I lost 415 in the trade. So what, chicken butt? So what, chicken butt? You gotta lose something sometime, okay? Players mess up too. Players mess up too. Okay. So I did lose 415 in the trade and I stopped. I was like, oh, you want to take 415? I got caught up in a bear trap sweep. You know what I'm saying? I thought the market was moving in my direction and it was a bear trap sweep. It smacked me, took 415 and then went down in my direction. Want me to show you what trade it was? I'll show you what trade it was. That trade slapped the very first trade slapped the hell out of me. I was like, oh, you want to be like that, cuz. I'll bet. It was this one right here. Hold on, let me back it on up. Well, it was this one right here. I'm gonna zoom in, show y'all where I lost that 415 at. I told you, I ain't got no reason to cap about nothing. I don't care nothing about that. I got smacked right here. The market opened up right here, and I said, you know what? It's gonna go down. It's about to go down, right? So I got in the trade. As soon as it opened up, I went short right here. It went up, took my 415, and then continued down. I said, oh, you want to take my money first, then go down. I said, all right, I got you. I got your ass. But I made up for it, though. I made up for it. Not in that account. Hey, I'm real. When I say once I hit my loss amount, I don't touch that account no more. That 415 I lost, set that to the side. You are done. Sit on the bench next to the coach. And then I traded with my other accounts. And I definitely made more than 415. And that's what I'm saying. Like, you don't have to rush. Look, 13, 13, 13, 54, 54, 54. You don't have to make a bunch of money every single damn trade. You know what I'm saying? Some of my smaller accounts, my newer accounts, I still trade micros. I trade micros, give me 50, 60 bucks. I'm done on that account. Now the 130, 155, 160, those are my accounts that have a little more cushion. The 800 and the 15 are my 250K accounts. Those are 250K accounts. Because the 250K accounts, you could do more. You could definitely do more contracts and everything. Oh, what do you mean you only got 100? What? Oh, I only got 100 in a matter of seconds. But that's all good. Money is always available. Yeah, don't worry about it. You know, that's just part of the game. That's part of the game, Chris. We're gonna get it. But I mean, you still 100. You still got 100. Most people don't make 100 a day. How many accounts do you have? I had 15. I lost one, and I just got a 50K account approved today. So once I activate that, I'll be back to 15 accounts. Yay! Yay! On the road to 20, baby. On the road to 20. And that's the thing. Once you get like 10, 15, 20 accounts, you don't have to make a lot of money, people. You know what I'm saying? I could do $50 a day if I wanted to. That's still 50 times 15 accounts. You know what I'm saying? $50 a day is $1,000 a month. If you could do $50 a day between 15 accounts, that's $15,000 a month. Stop counting my pockets. I'm just saying, okay? That's average. You don't have to do a lot. You don't have to make a lot of money every trade. The more accounts you get, stick with the $50. If all you can do consistent is 50 bucks, get your 50 and be happy with it. So I'm used to averaging at least 250. Hey, big trader energy. We're going to cheer for that one too, Chris. That's what I'm talking about. Got to have that confidence. He said, I'm used to making 250. What you talking about? But $100 a day is $2,000 a month, though. Remember that. $100 a day is $2,000 a month. That's a lot of money. If you already got a 9 to 5 and you make a clean 2,000 extra a month, that's some good damn money. 200 extra a month is $24,000 a year. So if you got a job that pays $40,000 a year, you just gave yourself a $24,000 raise. That ain't nothing to frown upon. You know what I'm saying? You went from $40,000 a year to $64,000 a year by just locking in $100 a day. That's it. See, that's good money for people that enjoy their 9 to 5. You're like, I'm trying to get about this 9 to 5. How you talking about? How you talking about? How do taxes work when it comes to trading? Awful. No, but when you trade with a prop firm, you don't have to worry about the capital gains tax when you trade with a prop firm because you're a 1099 employee. So you basically is like you're getting, even though it's your money and you can withdraw however much you want to withdraw, it still pulls up as a 1099 contractor. So you get taxed as a contractor. And then you pay yourself a salary every month so that you show that you have a income, a personal income. At least that's how I have mine set up. But you can't get around taxes. You can't, taxes gonna get that ass. You got to pay your taxes, people. Now, if you get a good CPA that understands the tax codes and tax laws, you know what I'm saying? You might be able to finagle a little extra cash. You know what I'm saying? You might be able to finagle a little something. But if you want to be self-employed, if you want to make money every day in the market and chill, you got to have a team with you. You got to have a financial advisor, tell you where to put your money at. You got to have a CPA lawyer to make sure you're paying the right taxes throughout the year. And you have to have health and dental care. Okay? When you are self-employed, you no longer have that job PPO life insurance, health insurance policy. You got to get your own insurance policy. So when you do taxes on trading, you can write off everything. The fact that you are self-employed, write off your health care, write off your dental, write off your Apex accounts, your evaluations, any course you paid for. You can write all that off. So even though they tax you, after you write everything off, they probably owe you some money. You know, but yeah, get with a CPA lawyer, make sure you're getting all the write-offs you need to get. Now, for all my students, if you just scroll down to the end of the course, I have a whole video from a company that's willing to help all you guys set your stuff up. They charge, but they don't charge that much. But they'll help you set up your LLC, set up your family trust or your personal trust. You want to buy some silver, gold, they help you with all that. So yeah, taxes are there. You just got to be aware. Don't spend all your money thinking when taxes are due, you're going to magically get the money. Sit some aside. Like one of the banks that I use is called Found, is a business bank account called Found. Every time you get paid, they literally take a little bit out and put it to the side for your taxes. Little in the baggie, little out the baggie, little in the purse. But I am not a tax professional. I think I have to put that out there. I'm not a tax professional. I can just show you what I did. But yeah, anything that you get hit with taxes, you can write all that shit off. Like I didn't get too much money back last year, but if I didn't have my business write-offs, I probably would have owed about $3,000. But because I had everything under an LLC and it's under a business, they was like, all right, cool, you good to go. So yeah, taxes work really well if you know what you're doing. Oh. Any further? For the bot trial, what's up? Yeah, what's up? What's going on for the bot trial? Excuse me. I didn't have my coffee this morning. So apparently, that's what I thought. But Janetta says she used it on an eval. Janetta says she used it on the eval, so test it out. See if you can test it on a simulation and eval. But she says she tested it on her eval and it worked. So I'm just saying. Don't test me. Move over. Get money. Yeah, just test it out and see if they let you use it on the eval. Because she said she used it on the eval. I'm like, you sure you didn't pay for the bot? She was like, no, I ain't paid for it. I'm still in the simulation. I was like, I bet. So it's too late for me to try it out. But if it works on your evals, yeah, take advantage of that. My dogs are a little quiet. I don't know what they're doing. Anytime your dogs get quiet, you got to check on them. I don't hear my dogs. Give me 1 second. I'm checking my dog. All right, I'm back. All right, I'm back. My dogs are all right. They were just a little quiet. I didn't really hear them walking around and stuff like that. So I had to check on them, let them outside, let them go to the bathroom. Because then, my dogs are just like my son. They're my kids. You know what I'm saying? Dogs are my kids. Anytime you hear a kid, anytime you can't hear a kid, you need to check on them. We need more people in the group to do it as well. Yeah. If you got the bot, test it out to see if it'll work on the eval. It might be a glitch. You know what I'm saying? I didn't say nothing to the owner because I'm like, hey, let my peoples use that real quick. Good old cinnamon buns. What y'all know about that 90s playlist? It's like all Bad Boy. When I say Bad Boy ran the 90s, boy, everything between the mid to late 90s, early 2000s, it was just Bad Boy everywhere. Yeah, definitely try it out. Yeah, let me know how it goes because Janetta, she said she used it in her eval. I was like, oh, okay. And if it does work on your eval and you got 14-day trial, I'll be running like crazy, get them things approved. I am live on YouTube as well, but I haven't built up my YouTube crowd yet, so it is what it is. Look at that market. Market going back down. I wanted to hit this area up here. If it gets up here, matter of fact, I'll sit this right here just in case it goes up there. If it don't, it don't. Yeah, but I put a resting order right here just so I can see what happens. It might not get up there before the close of the day, but if it does, I'm right there chilling. Come on up in here. Yeah, the market slowed down because the London session closed around 11, 12. So when the London market closes, is really not a lot of people trading. It's just New York, because the people that are in the Asian market is not even nowhere near open yet. Yeah, you told me about Oracle. Yep. When do they open? London, I want to say London. Oh, well, the Asian market, I want to say opens around 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 or 8. And then the London session opens up around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, and it closes at 11. It's about to go where? What's about to go? The Oracle? Oh yeah, I mean, yeah. With that 500 billion infrastructure deal, it better go. If Nvidia having a little issue, so Nvidia needed to go up. I trade a New York session, but if it's moving and I'm sitting in front of my computer, I'll take a trade. Diddy party in the background. Hey, all I did was put the 90s in there, 90s, early 2000s. Bad Boy just ran that time frame. Bad Boy ran that era. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Hey, look, man. My family know I trade every day. My family see me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube talking about trading every day. Ask me how many of my family members want to learn how to do this. None of them. You want to learn? Hey, look, you're in the right place to learn. Right there at the bottom, well, below me, mhtacademy.com. I got you. I got you. Yeah, I've realized, man, sometimes you just can't force people to do things. You got to think most people think everything is a scam. They think everything outside of a 9 to 5 is a scam. They all think it's a scam. That's just part of the game. Don't feel bad about it. My family literally sees the money that I make. They still haven't asked me to teach them how to trade. Still. They was there when I bought the new car. They was there when I bought just about everything major that I purchased. They were there. They see my pictures of me on vacation, me chilling at the crib, me doing whatever the hell I want. They don't hear me talking about my job and my work and my supervisor and my boss, they don't never hear me talk about that. So they know that I don't have a 9 to 5. They know I make most of my money from day trading, doing digital products, social media marketing. They know all that stuff. Not once have they asked for me to teach them how to do it. So once again, I love my family to death, but I ain't about to force them to learn nothing. I ain't about to force them to learn nothing. If they want to learn, holla at your boy. If you don't want to learn, I'm not about to bug you and pester you about it. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna start avoiding your butt. They're gonna start avoiding you after that. They're like, oh, here our cousin come, talk about trading. Let's go. Let's get out of here. You keep talking about trading. You know, always want us to learn. So I don't worry about people. He said, pause. It's all good. But yeah, don't feel bad. Close family and close friends, they're never gonna believe anything you tell them about. A lot of times, even if you show them, they're not gonna believe it. They think it's a fluke. They think it's a scam. They think it's photoshopped. Like, you ain't really make that much money. Yes, I did, mother effer. Yes, I did, mother effer. What about your friends? She said, what about your friends? He said, it is crazy. It is crazy. But I said, I don't lose sleep over it. I do not lose sleep over it. If they don't want to learn how to do this, you can't force them to do it. You know what I'm saying? My family know if they want to learn, just holler at me. And I'll do a one-on-one with family. I'll do a one-on-one. I'll walk them through every step of the way. But you can't force people to do something. I do have cousins. I do have a cousin that was interested, that wanted to learn. And he's in the same trade group as me right now. You know what I'm saying? So I do have family. I do have a cousin that was interested, and now he makes good money trading every day. And he's a lawyer. He a lawyer. He like, look, I'm about to quit this lawyer mess. I'm about to quit this lawyer mess because I'm getting to the bag, baby. Well, and that's another thing. Like, people go to work every day to make money, and they don't even understand it. Like, why are you working so hard to get access to something that you don't understand? And when you don't understand money, you don't know how to grow it. You make stupid mistakes, or not even mistakes. You just make stupid moves because you don't understand the power of the dollar. When you don't understand it, you just don't understand it. You know, there's people out there, plenty of people out there like that. You go to work every day to make something that you don't even understand. You know, but you'll be surprised how many people don't understand money. But that's all right. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help people learn how to make money online, make money through day trading. Whatever way you want to go to make money, let me know. Man, the market ain't never gonna get up to my level. It slowed down like crazy. Time to buy in. I mean, yeah, you could have bought the market. You could have bought the market. But for the most part, I'm done trading. Um, the only time I would take another trade is if the market either came down to this level right here. I would buy it if it came down here, or I will sell it if it came up here. Obviously, I have a resting order. I will sell it from here, or I will buy it from here. But all that in between, that's just consolidation. I don't trade with consolidation. All right, I'll try to see something. Trying to see where the market's at on a 1 hour. That's a small, there's a small little gappy gap. Uh, I'm trying to look at it. I'm trying to look at see where that level was. Sometimes you gotta zoom in and see what's popping over there. The high is 40 double O. 40 double O. Yeah, there we go. 16 double O. All right, cool. I just placed another little level to see what happens around if it goes there. I got a lot of ATM strategies. Jeez. I got a lot of ATM strategies. I don't know which one I should use for this. There we go. All right. Just a little more, a little closer. So yeah, that's my zones. I like to mark off my zones and stuff like that. So what's a good amount to put in bot for 25K account? I would do 2 micros. Let me see. That's the settings I use. When the market first opened, I do both. Trade size 2, I mean 2 contracts. 12 is the level ticks. -10 is the ticks to skip. Max entries is 10. And then I do trailing entries, trailing targets, and trailing stop. And you can type in how much money you're willing to make or risk. So I keep mine around 60, and I don't want to lose no more than 100. I use that on my smaller accounts. Get money. Get money. Play Nintendo with Caesar M low. And this settings right here, these are the settings for NQ. This is what I use for NQ. You see that profit shut off 600, loss is 1,000. So I'm risking $1,000 to make 600. Here's to my spot. Take me to court, trying to take all my night. Why you want to stick me for my paper? Cool, you're cool. You got the screenshot for the minis and the micros. But I could send that. I could send that to him too. All you is, Papa, don't hit me no more. Marvelous, what's going on? Yeah, but just play around with those settings. Play around with them a little bit. Yeah, to see, and this is the reason why I don't really trade late in the afternoon. Look at it. Look at this market just sitting here staring. I'm staring at the market's staring at me. It don't be a lot popping. It don't be a lot popping in the afternoon. That's why I get my money around 8. Around 8, 9 o'clock. Between 8 and I want to say 10, 11 o'clock. Between 8 and 11 o'clock, that's when the market has a good movements. So like right here, like to about 11, so it did all this movement to about 11. It slowed down, and right around 12, after the London market closed, around 12, it had a big jump, and then it just played around again. Is Trump speaking at 4? Let me see. No, it don't say, well, at least not on here, you're not talking at 9. Yeah, so whatever he's online talking about is not gonna really affect the market that much. But make sure y'all check the news every day before you trade. Before you click one button of trading, check the news. Because tomorrow gonna be, look at all that red. Tomorrow there's news at 9:15, 9:45, 10:30, 2 o'clock, and 2:30. There's news all over the day tomorrow. I might not even trade. You know what I'm saying? I might look at the market just in case an opportunity pop up, but I ain't touching nothing. Yeah, Trump is he's definitely gonna shake up a lot of things. But I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the shakeup. I'm saying I don't necessarily like him, but I'm here for the shakeup. Get money. That's all I'm saying. Get money. Get money. Because whatever money you don't get, it's somebody out there that's getting that money. I don't really hear no John B. Love the song, but bad boy everywhere. This might as well be the bad boy playlist. Get more button than ashtrays. What's up, y'all guys? Got any questions? You guys want to learn more about day trading? Y'all want to learn about affiliate marketing? What's going on? What's popping? We just here chilling. But yeah, that's the news for tomorrow. So be careful in the market. Rap a lot. Yeah, but like, there's no point of even trading in the afternoon. Look at this. Look at this consolidation mess. That's just consolidation. It was no real reason to buy or sell. It's just there. Time for a new flavor in your ear. All right, I'm good on that. Had to send some message real quick. All right, all right. Yeah, it's the market is slow. There's not really a lot going on. Um, the bot that I used, it did really good today. Wasn't too stressful. It got in the market, got out the market for me. Um, and then I was able to manually trade the rest of the day. Because I try not to run the bot too much. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's done on there. I forgot. LL was on his remix. Ain't that some? I still think he's one of the best rappers out there. LL, he been in the game for a long time, and I think he just released a album not that long ago. So he's still active. Oh, Busta Rhymes. That's when Busta Rhymes was still all riled out in the open before he started making it more smoothed out. My YouTube is doing all right. I mostly do YouTube just to keep up the videos. Yeah, so yep, guys. I was hoping the market did some movements, but it didn't. It didn't go to where I wanted it to go, at least. It's trying. It's doing okay. Time for new flavor in your head. Yeah, the bot ain't got nothing going on today. The bot is done trading. The market pretty much is done for the day. Look at the little bitty movements. You can't make no money in the afternoon. That's why I like trading in the morning time. Because there don't be nothing going on in the afternoon. I don't see how people trade this late in the afternoon. I mean, I know some people don't have a choice, but that mug be moving slow as hell in the afternoon. Because you got to understand, the London market closes around 11. After London closes, I mean, that's a whole area of people that don't trade, that's not trading. So the volume slows down tremendously. I gotta check my bookmarks. Boy, I be forgetting what bookmark is where. I do a lot of stuff on the phones. I'm telling you, man. I wonder, are they in some kind of alphabetical order? Yeah. I'm still doing class on Saturday. Yep, class will be every Saturday right now. Um, the only time I won't be live uh, right now, my weekends are clear. My weekends are clear. Um, I'm trying to think. Is there any days in the future that I won't be available on Saturdays? Um, I do have a DBA Digital Boss Academy conference coming up, but that's in March. That's in March. I'll be in Puerto Rico in May, and then I'm gonna try to go live. Yeah, I'll probably still go live in Puerto Rico. I'll probably still go live from the Airbnb. I'll probably still go live in Puerto Rico, um, but I will not go live from Japan. Tell you that now. We ain't gonna be doing no trading sessions on Saturdays when I go to Japan, because the time is completely different. But I'll still do a practice from Puerto Rico. That's no problem. But that Japan, that time zone is completely different. If I try to go live, then I'm gonna be looking crazy. Janetta, what's going on? So Janetta, I meant to ask you that. That was a eval that you ran it on, because Mrs. M, she's about to run the bot tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? And I wanted to know, like, it does the sim does work. I mean, the trial does work on the evaluation or sim only, because we're trying to figure that out. Since I already have it, since I already have the bot, I can't test out what the test version did. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Okay. So you can do it on sim and eval. Awesome. Awesome. So yeah, Mrs. M, when you try it tomorrow, let me know. What's going on, KC? How you doing? That's awesome. So hey, take advantage of that 14-day trial. I'll run the crap out of it. Go ahead, go ahead and get me an eval approved. I'll go and get me an eval approved real quick, like. KC, what's going on, man? Hit me up. What's up? Shoot, a 14-day trial and it runs on evaluations. I will run the hell out of that. If I lose 30% my PA, does that mean I have to wait another 8 days? No. Nope. That 30% is only for profits. But as long as the money you lost didn't go drop below the threshold. So you was afraid it wouldn't approve the PA? Like, whoa, hold on, slow down, kill up. Slow down, buddy. Hey, the bots are botting. That's what they do sometimes. But yeah, you right there about to get it approved already. That is outstanding. Yeah, but if you they're not worried about you losing what percent you lost, as long as it doesn't drop below the threshold to where you can get a payout. So if you have to make 2,600 to get a payout, and you made that 2,600 to get a payout, but then you lost below 2,600, then they'll deny your payout. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know how much that 30% was. If it didn't drop below a certain number, you're fine. Because there's plenty of times that I lost money, but that's another reason why you want to build a cushion in your accounts, because days that you do have a bad day or a bad week in trading, you have a nice cushion to where you can still get a withdrawal. Because as long as your account is above a certain threshold, you can always get a withdrawal no matter how much money you lost, as long as it doesn't go below a certain number. And you know, come to think about it, I don't think I ever tried to run the bot on my eval. I think I only ran it in sim, because I tried to run it on my PA and it was like, can't run it on the PA. This is a trial period. So I was like, all right, instead of running on my PA, I'll just run it on sim. I don't think I even tried to run it on the eval. So, you know, that's some good information though. But I'm a bot person. I'm an indicator person. If it works, I'm going to buy it. If it works, I'm going to buy it. Win, lose, or draw, I'm going to buy it. Because just about everything that I've purchased to learn how to trade has paid out for me, has worked out for me. So, and then it's like I've turned down so many things because I was skeptical about it. I wasn't sure about it. You know, I didn't know what I was looking at. And when I look back, I'm like, man, I missed out on a lot of money. Like, I always tell the story when my friend told me when I was in Afghanistan, he told me about Dogecoin back in 2012. He told me about not Dogecoin. He told me about Bitcoin back in 2012, and I didn't listen to him. I still kick myself in the butt about that. Yeah. I can show you my NQ settings. Did I send you my MNQ settings in that? I think I put it in the group. But this is MNQ right here. These are my MNQ settings. Both. I put it on two contracts. You know, max entries 10, trailing entries, all that. So here's the settings that I use for micros. I was up 36 and lost 15. Well, yeah, because if it's a 50K account, that means you're below the 2,600. So if you're below the 2,600, yeah, they're not going to let you get a withdrawal. So it's not about the percent you lost. It's just the fact you lost below 2,600. Yeah, but just test it out in simulation first to see how the settings work and adjust them accordingly. But this one right here is a 60. I'm trying to get 60, and I don't want to risk no more than 100 in micros. No. Once you reach 2,600, you can go below it. You can go below it, and you won't lose your account. But in order to get a withdrawal, it has to be if I'm not mistaken, to get a withdrawal, it has to be above 26. That's just I never really tried to take out a withdrawal below 26. So I could be wrong. You know what I'm saying? I would reach out to Ninja Trader just to be sure. But there were times where I passed the area for payout. I took a trade and it dropped below the area of payout and they denied me. So that's why I was like, I'm not taking out another withdrawal until I build a cushion. So that's where I started building the cushion. So now no matter how much money I make or lose, I can always get a withdrawal because I always have a cushion in there for a withdrawal. Yeah, that's just what I suggest. Um, is a $3,000 cushion. And the cool thing about a 50K account, you got to make 2,600 before you can even take out money. So if you can make 2,600, why not just wait until you make 400 more dollars? And then when you get, I would do like a $500. I won't take out too much. I'll take out like 500. So once I make 3,000, I'll take out 500. That'll bring you back to 26. That'll bring you back down to 26. 25. You know what I'm saying? And then whatever, I only do a withdrawal once a month. Yeah, I don't really know the new rules. I ain't really look at them because, you know, I trade very consistent. Yeah, the 8 days is just saying that you have to trade at least 8 days, but you could go past 8 days, of course. But yeah, that's just what I like to do. So like my first couple of accounts were $25,000 trade accounts. So with a $25,000 trade account, I wanted a $3,000 cushion. So I had to double it. So you got to make 1,600 to get a withdrawal. I'm like, all right, I'll make another 1,600. That puts me above 3,000. Now I'll take out half of what I made. So when I do a withdrawal, I only take out half of what I made that month. So if I made $2,000 that month, I'm taking out 1,000. If I made 1,000 that month, I'm taking out 500. I never take out more than half of what I made that month. That way my cushion is always building up. Every month I have a bigger cushion because I only take out half of my profit every month. Like I don't have to get a payout every 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather build my stuff up and just do one nice withdrawal at the end, at the beginning / end of the month, and then I could just have the whole month to build it back up. He said you only lose when you wake up late. Well, early bird gets the worm. Better get that ass on up. Better get that ass on up. Oh, I got a couple of likes up there on the YouTube. Appreciate that, YouTube. YouTubials. X Wolf, what's going on, man? How you doing? Just chilling, man. Just chilling. I'm on TikTok and YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we just chilling. I'm probably about to get off here soon because I gotta go pick my son up. You know what I'm saying? Because as I said, he ain't trying to be there too late. And I gotta stop. I gotta stop by the store and drop off something for Amazon. I gotta send that back to Amazon. And I gotta stop by the grocery store to pick up dinner for the night. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. Oh man, it's all good, bro. I've been having a good time, made some good money trading today, so I cannot complain whatsoever. I just had the bot up on the screen. That was a big bot energy. Yeah, but that's how I trade. I only do a withdrawal once a month, get my money and been done. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to. But the cool thing about having a cushion is I can take out a withdrawal anytime I want. But once a month is good enough for me. It's all about that bag. Got to get to the bag, baby. I noticed real good times early in the morning in between 4 and 4:30, 6 to 6:30 a.m., 7, 8 a.m., and 9. Yes, the 4 to 4:30 is the London market opens. Yeah, the London market opens around 3, 4 o'clock if I'm not mistaken. So that's probably why that time in the morning is good. Oh yeah, yeah. Then the Asian market opens up at, I want to say, 8 o'clock at night. 8 p.m. is the Asian market. As a matter of fact, let's look it up. Why don't we? Let's look it up. Let's look it up. I'm trying to see. They got the times up here, but they don't have it in Eastern Standard Time. So now I gotta see what's London. Yeah, so all right, so here it is. So yeah, so London market opens up at 3 a.m. our time. It's 8 o'clock their time, 8 a.m. their time, but 3 a.m. our time. And then the Asian market opens up at 9 their time. Let's see what the Asian market is. See, and then the Asian market opens up at 9 a.m., which is 8 p.m. our time. So yeah, I was right. Yeah, so 8 p.m. 8 p.m. our time is when the Asian market opens up. 3 a.m. our time is when London wakes up. So that'll make sense that 4 to 4:30 the market's popping because London opens up around 3. Yep, between 4 to 9 you're doing. The London market closes at 11 o'clock our time. So London closes 11 a.m. or 11 or 12 our time. Yeah, so yeah, that 4 to 9 in the morning is London. You're trotting with the London. But that's the joy of learning how to trade the stock market. You can trade anytime you feel like it. The market is only closed from 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 6 p.m. That 1 hour window is the only time you can't trade. So you can travel anywhere in the world and make money anywhere. When I go to Japan, I'm going to be in Japan trading. You dang right. I'm gonna be in Japan trading. When we go to Puerto Rico, I'm gonna be in Puerto Rico trading. You know what I'm saying? When we go to Dubai, I'm gonna be in Dubai trading. When we go to Greece, I'm gonna be in Greece trading. I'm gonna trade the market. I'm gonna trade the market no matter where I'm at. I'm trying to be in a yacht on a yacht in the middle of the French Riviera, trading on the stock market. Because that's what it's all about, baby. Getting to the money and living life, having fun. That's the main reason why I want to teach people how to trade, because I want you to be able to go out, have fun, make money when you want to make money. Don't make money when you clock in to work or when it's time to go to work. Make money whenever the hell you want to make money. That is freedom. And freedom is not cheap. Okay? Freedom is not, oh, I could go buy me a Gucci bag. No, that's not why I trade. I trade because I want to be able to come and go as I please, make money when I feel like making money. And when I need to go grocery shopping, I don't want to have to check my balance before I spend money. That's freedom. I'm always going to be conscious of the money that I spend, but the beauty of being able to go buy something and I don't have to look at my bank account before I spend money is freedom to me. That is freedom. And that's the piece of life that I want to be able to help everybody else achieve, to be able to make money, enough money. You don't have to be super wealthy making $1 billion a year. I just want people to be able to make enough money to where they don't have to worry about money. You know, it's not in the forefront of your brain, you know what I'm saying, that, oh, I got to make money. I got to do this. I got to do that. You know what I'm saying? To be able to wake up, hey, I want to go to the movies. Go to the movies. Hey, the kids wake up. Hey, Junior needs some new sneakers. All right. I don't like telling Junior, hey, you got to wait till payday. We got to wait till dad get paid next week before you get some new sneakers. No, if Junior needs some sneakers, mind you, my son is not Junior, but but if my kid needs some shoes, I like the fact that I could go get him some shoes and I ain't got to worry about checking my bank account. That is a joy that very few people are able to take advantage of. And you don't even realize it. We're so used to being in survival mode, we don't even realize it. You know what I'm saying? To be able to say, you know what? I want to get that shirt. I like that shirt. I want it. You buy it. You don't have to be like, oh, I'm going to wait till payday to get that shirt. Why? Get it now. Get it now. If you want it, don't get it. You worked hard for it. You bust your butt. You made the necessary moves to free yourself from that burden of always having to wait until a paycheck. You know what I'm saying? Most Americans, don't feel bad, most Americans live paycheck to paycheck. It's normal. Ain't that crazy? It's normal to live paycheck to paycheck. You know what I'm saying? And in order to break the norm, you have to do things that normal people don't do. All right? To get away from being normal, you have to do what normal people don't do. Normal people don't trade the stock market. Normal people don't sell digital products. Normal people don't build courses to sell. Normal people don't do affiliate marketing. If you want to get out of what normal people do, if you want to get away from making the money that normal people make, you have to do things that normal people don't do. You don't have to be a genius. You just have to do what the masses don't do. If everybody is walking that way, walk that way. That's it. Everybody wake up, get something to eat, drive to work, clock in, go to lunch, clock back in, clock out, go home. That's what the majority of people do. Nothing wrong with it. But as long as you continue doing what they're doing, you always going to make the money they make. Hey, what's going on, user 12? What's popping? You know what I'm saying? I don't make the money that the average person makes because I don't do what the average person does. You know, And when I did do what the average person did, I still didn't do what the average person did. My background is electrical engineering. You know what I'm saying? I worked on uninterruptible power systems. You know what I'm saying? I spent over 1.5 years in Afghanistan contracting. I did 4 tours in 6 years in a war zone while I was in the military. So I've never done what the average person does. And people think a lot of people in the military. There's really not a lot of people in the military. If you look at how many American citizens actually are in the military, it's a very small number. So I've never been the type to do what the masses have done. I always do something outside of what they do. I'm gonna tell you. All right, it says here it is. It says right here, what's the percentage? And I didn't even know that many people were in the Army. Wow. What is this? It says, what's that? Below like 10% of the 5% of the population? No, 0.727% of Americans are in the military. It's really not that many people in the military. So yeah, the number of military personnel is not that high. Oh, hey guys, it is time for me to roll up out of here. I just noticed the time. I gotta go get my little man. You know what I'm saying? He does not like being at school, and I got some errands to run. So once again, guys, I will check you guys later. I will be back tomorrow. Now, there's a lot of news tomorrow. There's a lot of news. So my students, my people out there that follow me, be careful in the market tomorrow. Okay, be careful in the market. Lots of news. If you got to trade, either trade simulation or trade your trade micros. Okay, I don't want y'all blowing y'all accounts up, but it's gonna be a hectic day in the market tomorrow. All right, so I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll be live in the morning as well. All right, so I'll see you guys then. All right.